Hi, welcome to my channel, The Magic of Math. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider doing so and sign up for notifications to hear about future videos that I load. Today, our lesson is on product of powers properties. Our students today are going to multiply powers with the same base, and students will find a power of a power and a power of a product. Here's the question I want you thinking about as I proceed through the lesson today. How can you use what you know about exponents to write rules? So first we're going to talk about product of powers property. And if you haven't already watched my exponent videos and what are they, if you need a refresher on what exponents are and powers are, go ahead and watch that first. So we're going to talk about product of powers property first. There are three different properties I'm introducing today. The first is the product of powers that says to multiply powers with the same base, you add their exponents. So if I have a power multiplied by a power and they have the same base, then I can add the exponents to simplify things faster. So let's look at an example. I have 2 to the 4th multiplied by 2 cubed. So that's going to be 2 to the 4 plus 3. We're going to add the exponents because really this means 4 2's, 3 2's. Not added. Remember, powers are repeated multiplication. So we're going to have 7 2's repeatedly being multiplied, and 2 to the 7th is 128. All right, I'd like you to apply that property. Using that rule, I would like you to simplify these three expressions. Please pause and come back and hit play when you're ready. Welcome back. Let's see how you did. So I have 4 squared multiplied by 4 to the 4th. They both have the same base of 4, so we can keep the base and add the exponents. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 4 to the 6th is 4,096. The second one, we have the same base of negative 1/3. So we rewrite with that base and we add the exponents. 2 plus 3 is 5, and negative 1/3 to the 5th, because this is negative base and that's an odd exponent, we're going to have a negative answer. 1 to the 5th is 1, 3 to the 5th is 243. Final answer, negative 1 over 243. This last one, we have an invisible 1 here. If you haven't watched my invisible 1 video, I hope you'll do so. So we have 1x here, and 13 is an exponent there. Add the exponents, and we have x to the 14th. All right, our second property is a power of a power. And that states that to find a power of a power, you multiply the exponents. Here's what the rule looks like algebraically. We have our power a to the m raised to an exponent of n. So we're going to multiply these, m times n. Let's look at this. This is a power of a power. So our first power is 2 cubed. And then it's saying to cube that power. So that means we're going to have 3 of these. 2 cubed times 2 cubed times 2 cubed. So that's why we're going to multiply. 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 to the 9th is 512. All right, here are 3 examples, or 3 expressions for you to simplify. I'd like you to use that property, that rule that we just explained. Go ahead and pause and come back and hit play when you're ready to check your work. Welcome back. Let's see how you did. So we have this power to a power, x to the 5th to the 4th. 5 times 4 is 20, so we have x to the 20th. Here we have the power raised to the power 5, so we're going to multiply 2 times 5, negative 2 to the 10th. Because this is an even exponent, my negative base will give me a positive answer. And negative 2 to the 10th is 1,024. Now we have 2/3 cubed, all squared. 3 times 2 is 6. So now remember, this is in parentheses. So 2 to the 6th over 3 to the 6th. 2 to the 6th is 64. 3 to the 6th is 729. So our final answer is 64 all over 729. All right, one more, a power of a power property. So we have a power of a product property is telling us that we have a base that is being multiplied. We have a product here raised to this exponent. So we're going to share it, a to the m multiplied by b to the m. So here's an example. 5x, this is a product, all raised to the power 2. So 5 squared multiplied by x squared. That's 5 squared is 25, x squared. All right, here are 3 examples for you to apply that property. Go ahead and hit pause and come back and hit play when you're ready to check your work. Welcome back. Let's see how you did. So on the first one, we're going to do 6 cubed w cubed. 6 cubed is 216 w cubed. Here we have 3 factors inside. 5 squared, x squared, y squared. 5 squared is 25, so our final answer is 25 x squared y squared. Reminding you there's invisible multiplication signs between each term of the expression. And our final one, 0.3t all squared. So 0.3 squared, t squared. And 0.3 squared is 0.09 t squared. I hope you enjoyed our lesson on product of powers properties and that you'll come back and visit the channel for more videos soon. Please subscribe to the channel and sign up for notifications. Have a great day.